Be it Instagram or Facebook, short videos are a popular way to consume content. Now, Facebook has made it easier to discover these, which it calls Reels. Let's find out how. As per Meta, people reshare over 2 billion Reels across their platforms each day. Yes, you heard that right. Now, Meta has made it easier to discover Reels on Facebook by adding them to the top of the Watch tab. Users can also scroll between Reels and longer videos. The company has recently introduced new controls on Facebook that will let users customize the Reels that appear in their feeds as per their interests and likes. The three-dot menu on the bottom of the video player will have two options: Show More and Show Less. While watching a reel, a user can choose either of them to let Facebook know whether he or she should be shown more similar content. Meta has stated that it will soon introduce new labels that will explain why users are seeing certain reels. For example, because a friend of yours liked it. So what do you think of these changes? Tell us in the comments below and stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.